Today I would like to speak about president election proof stocks. Yes, I want to speak about stocks that are really resilient proof to no matter Biden wins or Donald Trump wins, because every time each of them tweet or each of them open in the mouth, it affects the stock market. These two old dudes beyond the 70s do not realize how much power they have. Standing on the stage, mocking one another, one falling ill, one makes a tweet, it affects the whole global economy. People, they do not care about the stimulus check. They don't realize how much power they have that can inflict on the world. End of the day, these guys, after the argument, they can go home and sleep. They don't have mortgages to pay. They don't have credit card bills to pay. They don't have to think about if they can send their kids to school the following day. People like us, retail investors, people that we work hard, earn for our money, are really impacted. Okay, even if I'm in the UK, it impacts my currencies. You guys live in the US, it impacts your stimulus checks. People other parts of the world, it impacts their jobs because of the import-export products that's going through in and out of America. So it's a huge impact. There's two old dudes beyond the 70s. So today I want to share about stocks that are almost president election proof, not 100%, but you go down the direction that you can see yourself in the bigger limelight. We're looking at the longer picture. We're looking at the longer road of low interest rates climbing. We're looking at the recovery of COVID, and we're looking at the recovery of how technology will change the way we live. But before I begin, please do click me a like and subscribe just to help me in my video. I have got 5 key areas I want to focus on, and I want you to look at your portfolio whether you've covered any of these 5 key areas. First one is clean energy. Regardless if Biden wins or Trump wins. Biden wins, great. Clean energy go. If Trump wins, maybe he likes the oil, but then he will still support the likes of mining. He'll support the great companies being bigger. The likes of Tesla, Plug Power, ITM Power. So these guys, all this is just a couple of examples. These guys you should be looking at. If you got clean energy in your portfolio, you're great. You're doing really, really well. Okay. But if you cannot decide who, go to iShare Clean Energy. It's a great place to invest. I spoke to my mate, he's up 40%. He just put money in about 60 days ago. Okay, and we have got batteries. Remember, batteries. Tesla needs battery. Electric car needs batteries. Legal and General BATT ETF, and also Wisdom Tree Volt. Those are the great ones that you can go in. You can home in and get some clean energy stocks. If you have them, great, hold them. And second one will be the COVID retailers. Okay, end of the day, the COVID has just changed the way we shop. Costco, Home Depot, McDonald's. People still go to McDonald's, deliveries. And the likes of Nike. I know their clothing stores, you got Adidas, Nike are going digital transformation, technology change, great, and Nike, Walmart. So all these big names, end of the day, everybody's closing, all the malls are closing, but these guys are standing there. These companies are the one to be employing people back. And the next one, the number 3, I want to go is e-commerce tools. E-commerce tools meaning the way we spend money, the way we buy things have changed. We're all online now. Most of the stuff we buy want to be online. We want to get our sales online. We're not going to the malls to get our sales. We're not fighting for elbows for Boxing Day. We want to get our sales online now. So we're talking about Twilio. Twilio, who is with the chatbot helping e-commerce platform. We've got cloud areas like Adobe, VMware helping build this platform. And we need cyber security to protect us. We got the likes of CrowdStrike, Okta, Datadog. And how are we going to pay money? Cashless transaction. You got a Visa, you got PayPal, you got Aiden, and we got Square. Great stocks. How are we going to pay money? We're not going to carry cash no more. Nobody carries coins ling long in their pocket. Okay? And who's going to deliver this? UPS. Okay? And who's going to store all this stuff? REIT warehouses. So if you own them, it pays good dividend. Hang on, because nobody's going to go shopping malls, but we still need warehouses, autonomous warehouse to start delivering this stuff. And all this hardware from the cloud, NVIDIA and ARM. And also AMD. Those are the guys that build all this infrastructure for all these e-commerce tools. So these are the stuff that you should look in your portfolio. If you own them, hold them. If you lack of them, maybe think about buying some on the debt list. But before I go to the 4th one, I want to give a shout out to stockcut.io for the partnership and also sponsoring this video. So stockcut.io is a tool that we use, or I use on a daily basis to analyze my stocks, to look at the changes, to look at the momentum, look at investor sentiment. So it's a great tool that I use, the premium VIP one. It's a great tool and I'm recommending it to you. Let's go to the 4th one. So 4th one, regardless of which president wins, it's still going to be low interest climate. Nobody is going to magically turn the economy, so low interest climates, we're talking about home builders, guys. Home builders, low interest rate guys, the upper class people, middle class people, who got money savings, they'll be buying homes, affordable homes because they're cheap just now. Stocks are cheap, the homes are cheap just now. Low interest rate, they can mortgage a couple of homes. Home deco like Wayfair and Etsy, and anything you can think of that's impacting the low interest rate, those are the good stocks to hold. I don't care which of these old dudes win the election, but this home builders will do well. And my last one on the list, number 5. I still like technology. Technology is changing the way we live, the way we work, the way we eat, the way we play, the way we travel. So alternative stocks. Don't look at the FANGs just now. Okay, FANGs are overpriced, they're stuck up there. If you have them, hold them. But if you want to invest into better technology stocks at a better fair price, China and Japan. So China, no, everyone's wearing masks, everyone's in the party, everyone's out, everyone's happily celebrating life, but we're also just stuck indoors in Europe, in South America and North America. So alternative tech. So Chinese tech stocks, the big ones like Meitian Tuanping, Alibaba, Tencent, Ping An Insurance, Pinduoduo. Okay, these are the biggest, most used tech stocks. They are striving, doing well, expanding in Southeast Asia. And I think they're fairly priced still compared to the FANGs. They're still fairly priced. There's still room for growth. And if you prefer Japan, I prefer the likes of Nintendo. You've got SoftBank in Japan. So all these other tech stocks that you can think of, don't just focus on the FANGs. You've got other tech stocks that you can make alternatives. Because Far East, the battle of COVID is almost over. So this is me, this is my 5. If you want, just go and back replay or go to the menu and click to the section again to review what I've just recapped, what I just said. So this is me on my president election proof stocks, the area that you can invest. I'm not asking you to go and change your portfolio drastically, but I'm just asking to look if you're having any missing holes and perhaps you should fill that gap, or see if they do go into discount, do consider it. And if you want to hear from me again, I've got my own podcast as well. Father of 3 Jobs, hashtag Father of 3 Jobs. So if you want the audio version, go there. I'm in Amazon Podcast, Spotify. And also, if you prefer to see how I invest, my strategies, go to eToro. You can openly see my account. If you want to copy portfolio, feel free to do it. I want to be transparent, open, and share my skills with all my viewers out there. So this is me. This is Alex Go from Family Investment. You have a good day and hope to see you soon. Bye.